Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ó ti wá di ojúmọ́ kan ìjà kan lágbo òṣèré wa báyìí pẹ̀lú bí òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa Àlàbí Yétúndé táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ sí Ashabi official àti màmá Esther Abọ́dẹrìn táwọn èèyàn mọ̀ sí ìyá Esabod ṣe wọ̀yá ẹ̀jà báyìí o. N tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé ìyá Esabod gbé fídíò kékeré kéréje kan jáde níbi tí òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa tó sábà máa ń ṣẹ̀fẹ̀ pẹ̀lú fídíò àwọn gbajúmọ̀ lójú agbo ní Irish the big deal ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Ashabi. Nínú fídíò yìí Irish ní gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ohun tí ìyá Esabod gbọ́ ni pé gbogbo Gboah TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Esabod wá gbé fídíò yìí jáde sórí ìkànnì ayélujára Instagram rẹ̀ tó sì kọ sábẹ́ rẹ̀ pé òṣèré yìí ló wà lẹ́yìn blọ́ọ̀gì Gboah TV tó sì ń bá Lizzy Anjorin ṣiṣẹ́. Eléyìí ni Ashabi official rí tó fi wá jáde pé ìyá Esabod ẹ̀sùn ńlá lẹ fi kàn mí yìí, ẹ máa mẹ́rin yín jáde o. Ẹ má bà mí láyé jẹ́ o, ẹ má bà mí lórúkọ jẹ́, ẹ má sọ ohun tí mi ò ṣe o. Èèyàn ẹ wo fídíò ibi tọ́rọ̀ náà ti ṣẹ̀ wá, ohun t'Ashabi sọ, ohun tí Irish blogger wá ṣe lálàyé máa tó tẹ̀síwájú.
Ashabi official ni o. Gboah TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Mo ló dàbí pé olórí àwọn ìyá àbèjì. Kí ló dé? Hello Tanye, hello Kẹ́hìndé. Lẹ́yìn tí mo rí olórí àwọn ìyá àbèjì. Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Máa fọkàn bá mi ká lọ nínú part 3. I love you guys so much. Kisses. Mwah.
Good evening, everyone. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ń gbọ́ mi. Please, I'm going to be speaking English and Yoruba to make this very easy. I've been getting tags and DMs that Mama Esabod posted me. To start with, I don't know Mama Esabod from anywhere. From anywhere, I've never seen her, I've never spoken to her. There was a time my movie was showing and she posted the movie on her this thing, and I think I said thank you, ma. That's all. Only for me to see that Mama Esabod posted a video of me that I work for a blog. I don't even know the name of this blog. I've never heard this name in my life. Mama Esabod, you need to come forward with your proof. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Wọ́n ò ní bà tiyín jẹ́, ẹ má bà tèmi jẹ́ o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ọmọdé ni mí, mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ayé mi nínú industry ni. Ẹ má bá mi wá ọ̀tá kún ọ̀tá. What the hell is this person work for? Do you have your proofs? I don't know any of these people that you listed. I don't know them. I've never seen them. I don't see Jaja minimum man law. Lane minder ni mi Jaja minimum man law mi on ta seyan. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ má torí traffic ten wa whatever ten wa ke wa tarnish image mi. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Kékeré tí mo ní mo manage ẹ ní ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ ní sórí burúkú o. Ẹ̀yin náà bí àwọn ọmọ tí yín o. Mama Esabod, take down that post as fast as possible. God bless you.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ọmọ Irish the big deal sọ̀rọ̀. So something happened online yesterday and I got caught up in all of this drama. So apparently Mama Esabod had posted a video of Ashabi official, the actress, and claimed that she was Gboah TV. So everybody was confused because I saw that it was a clip from the recap of Folosho Adeola's 40 video that I did and posted that was shared. So in my mind, I'm just like, why is it a clip from my own video that was posted? She has so many pictures of herself online, and I didn't think much of it until later when she now posted with my voice, and I saw that I called Ashabi Gboah TV. That's not what I said in the video. Every single person that has watched that video heard clearly that I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. And that's because Ashabi official exclusively uploads all her films to Libra TV YouTube channel. It's just the same way you see Kamo state and say Gbogbo Funke Adele network ò ní bàjẹ́. You'd see Ifeoluwa and say Gbogbo Tony Abraham series ò ní bàjẹ́. You'd see people that you see Tunde Ademi and say Gbogbo OAFP ò ní bàjẹ́. You understand my point? So because she's usually uploading her films to Libra TV, that's the reason I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Now I understand that maybe because the accusers are like of age and whatnot, but when you want to accuse someone or something, can you consider that we should find out very well if these things are true. I didn't call her Gboah TV. I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Please, general public, take note. I don't know, and what is painful about this is that everybody that has heard that, oh, Ashabi's Gboah TV, blah blah blah, not all of them would later see this video and whatnot. And someone even was saying on my page, oh, Irish, be careful what you say about your colleagues in your blog, clock it. Oh, sure, can we book clock? because you know every other person was in the comments saying, oh, Irish sell Libra TV, he sell Libra TV, he sell Libra TV. Then they say, mind what you say, extra of folk, if you mind yourself. So please, general public, Ashabi official, I didn't even refer to her as Dua TV. I said Libra TV Onipaje. I hope and I genuinely pray that this video puts an end to all of this social media drama, because I do not want to be caught in any of this. If I want drama, I want it to be drama that will favor me, drama that I will benefit from. And as it is, this drama cannot even favor me, and it's not even a genuine drama. Please and please, anyone that is close to Mama Esabod should let us see the video that I said Libra TV on a budget, not Dua TV. And whoever sent that video to her, I don't know why my watermark was cancelled. My watermark was on that video at Irish the big day for at events by Irish. Why was my watermark cancelled? Why, if you are going to leave the video for my page to accuse someone, why take away my watermark? But that's not even the point. The entire point is that Ashabi official is not Dua TV, and that's not what I called her.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn yìí náà ti gbọ́ àlàyé látẹnu Ashabi official àti Irish the big deal. ṣùgbọ́n kàkà kí gbogbo ẹ̀ níyànjú lẹ́yìn gbogbo atótónu àti àlàyé yìí. níṣe nìyẹn Esabod jáde sórí ìkànnì ayélujára Instagram rẹ̀ tó sì ṣe láìfù lánàá. tó sì sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ gbá Ashabi lórí. ó ní dípò kí Ashabi wá bá òun kó sọ fún un pé màmá kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. ó jáde lọ sórí ìkànnì ẹ̀ ó lọ ṣe fídíò ó ní kóun bẹ́ẹ̀rì jáde. ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ rírùn àrífín àti ìwọ̀sí ńlá ni Ashabi fi lọ̀ òun yìí. Esabod ní sóhun àtàṣàbí wájọ wà nínú ìrọ̀ni tó fi máa ní kóun mú ẹ̀rí jáde. kódà wọ́n láwọn ò lẹ́rìí kankan kó lọ mú ọlọ́pàá rẹ̀ wá. táwọn bá tiẹ̀ déwájú ọlọ́pàá àwọn máa sọ fún un páwọn ò lẹ́rìí kó ṣe nǹkan tó bá fẹ́ ṣe. màmá Esabod tún kìlọ̀ fún Ashabi pé kó ṣọ́ra rẹ̀ o kó rọra ṣe. bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ó máa jẹ jágbàjàgbà ìyà. Esabod láwọn nìkan kọ́ láwọn gbé ìròyìn náà. ọlọ́pàá àwọn èèyàn ló gbé lórí ayélujára pé iṣẹ́ kan táwọn sì gbà ní pé gbogbo fídíò táwọn bá ti rí káwọn máa gbé jáde. ló ṣe wá máa dórí akáyìn tàwọn tákàrà wa máa léegun. wọ́n láwọn ti gbé náà nìyẹn tí kò bá tẹ́ Ashabi lọ́rùn kó gba ilé ẹjọ́ lọ. fi tí ọ̀rọ̀ ìka ìyá Esabod lára dé gbogbo àwọn tó ń bá Ashabi bẹ̀bẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní kí ìyá Esabod foríjì olórúkọ rẹ̀ yìí ni wọ́n nù lọ́rọ̀ pátápátá. wọ́n ìhà ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ làwọn èèyàn kọ sí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn méjèèjì yìí. àwọn kan ṣe ń dá Ashabi lẹ́bi pé àgbékalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ kù díẹ̀ káàtó. àwọn kan sọ pé ìyá Esabod náà ìbá má ti gbé ìròyìn tí kò tí ì fìdí rẹ̀ múlẹ̀ jáde nípa Ashabi nítorí ìbanilórúkọjẹ́ ńlá tó lè pa iṣẹ́ Ashabi lára leléyìí. bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn kan ní ògbójú lásán nìyẹn Esabod ń lò. wọ́n ní dípò tí wọ́n máa fi jáde kí wọ́n gbà páwọn ṣàṣìṣe kí wọ́n sì tọrọ àforíjì níṣe ni wọ́n fàgbà rẹ ọmọdé Ashabi jẹ. ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ jọ̀wọ́ kí lẹ rí sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ẹ bá wa dá sí i lábala àríwísí. ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ má gbàgbé àti bá wa láìkì fídíò yìí kẹ́ ẹ sì bá wa tẹ̀lé ìkànnì tẹ́ ẹ bá tí ì ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, a ò ní rógun àkóbá, ọ̀rọ̀ tá ò mọ́wọ́ tá ò mẹsẹ̀ ò ní bára wa ṣe rẹ́gí.